Why should you deal with conflict? And why is it maybe difficult for your boss to trust you? First, about the purposes of conflict. Conflicts are opportunities. Use conflicts positively. As always in these videos, which of these could you use tomorrow at your workplace? And now about trust. Understand trust from your boss's perspective. Trust means your boss has to let go. Just as you have to let go when you trust someone. So for the both of you at work, trust is a matter of timing. Because trust bridges the gap to success. Also in conflicts. In the workplace, someone is trustworthy if he or she can take responsibility. And taking responsibility, it means taking risks. Again, through the eyes of your boss. Your boss needs certainty. I can trust him or her in the sense that I can hand over risks to him or her on our way to success. And that also applies in conflicts. So, why might your boss find it difficult to transfer risk to you? Well, understand the willingness to trust someone. It is built up through shared experiences or the experience of some commonality. Look at this video. Some commonality. Again, also in conflicts, what helps to trust are shared experiences and commonalities. And this feeling for one another. But understand that a proper feeling for each other, it has to develop over time. Like, it's a connection of separate moments. It develops with every separate answer to one question. And the question is, what makes this other person tick? So, if you want your boss to trust you, show him or her what makes you tick in a positive way. In a positive way, their trust also depends on you. So, how do you deal with expectations towards customers? Expectations towards colleagues or any stakeholders? You shouldn't blindly trust everyone. Of course not. Or, when are you able to use your critical thinking? For example, in a fast-paced world, there are a lot of hasty generalizations these days. So, you use your critical thinking to find counterexamples. Also in conflicts, this kind of approach leads to someone wanting to transfer risk to you, because you can cope with it. Or how do you signal that you have something under control? And lastly, who do you trust? Because by transferring risks yourself to others, you show that trust is a way of dealing with the uncontrollable.